Okay, so we've got another one. After the other repair went so well, buddy brought this one over. Says this one works, but it's flaky. Let's hope I don't entirely break this right now, because I suspect. Okay, so we got a green light. We boot up. Yep. You see we've got a bad port connection. I'm going to give a prediction here. I'm going to say this is going to be a surface mount port. And now if you recall, this was a little too deep for this bit. I could probably get a longer bit, but we'll pull these two out this way. Now if you recall, this whole front bezel, everything just wants to fall out. So you could put some blue tape on there. TVs are very similar if you ever need to flip it over with just a bezel like that. So now this bezel will just come off like that. I wonder if we need to even take any of this out. I probably should disconnect the battery if I remember correctly, is that one. Let's go to the scope. See what this port looks like. So look at that, are those all completely disconnected? I mean, these back pads don't look bad. I think it was going through. We could probably just touch this one up. Oh, you know what? That's right. There's no battery on here. Let's go back to the scope. Let's just touch this up. So again, I don't know if you could. Oh, let's plug this in and see what it's doing under the scope. They're all just not connected. Alright, that was it. Just a little touch up on the legs. Yeah. Oop, I was pushing 2 buttons at a time. There we go. Alright, well that's 2 for 2. Like, subscribe. See you next time.